Welcome to another training video from XMPRO. In this video, we will look at use case versions and how to use them in Data Stream Designer. So you would notice that when you're on this canvas screen for any use case, there is an option for versions over here. First of all, why would you use them? There might be a scenario where you have a stream which is published and running in a production environment. As you know, the canvas would not allow you to make a change to a running or a published stream, but you may want to do another iteration on it or a new version of it. If you stop the stream in order to make those changes, you will be stopping maybe a business critical data stream or a flow. To avoid that, what you can do is you can create a new version. That way your existing stream can still be published and be running while you work on the next iteration of it. And it will also prevent you from making a change to your production or your running use case, which may result into some unintended behavior. If you create a new version, you would at least have a rollback point or a checkpoint to go back to and recover what you had earlier. So you would notice I have a stream here and the version I have open is 2.11. If I go in the versions, I can see the list of all the versions of this use case. The first thing that I can do is I can click on a version, basically select it, and then I can copy it. What that would do is it would create me a new major version, which will be the copy of the last one, but it will be a new version. As you can see, it has created a 3.0 for me. If I go back in versions, you would see that now I have two versions. You would also notice that there is a current indicator written next to 3.0 that is basically telling that I am currently on 3.0 in my canvas. An important point to note is that whenever you open a use case, it will always open the latest version. Similarly, if you export a use case or clone it, they will always use the latest version. Now, if I have a certain version that I want to look at other than the latest one, I can select it and click open. That will take me to that version. If that version was running or published, you would notice that over here that it would say published version 2.11. And also in the list over there, you will see a green indicator showing that that version is published. If I go to my latest version and assuming I have made some changes here and now I want this version to be published, I can simply click publish, and in one click, it would go ahead, unpublish the old one and replace it with this one. By replace, I mean it would publish this. And now in the versions, you would notice 3.0 is running, 2.11 has been stopped. So this is use case versioning and how you use them in the Data Stream Designer. Thank you so much for watching.